We've got rain here in Puerto Plata. When it rains, it pours. As you can see here, we don't have the best drainage systems. We don't have any underground drainage here in Puerto Plata that I know of. Maybe in the city some, but not so much here in Cochabamba or Cochabamba. I don't know if we can attribute this to Hurricane Oscar. That should be about 200 miles away from us right now. Earlier today, the experts tell us it was about 106 miles away from Puerto Plata. So while we are getting rain here in the last day, 2 days, we've had no damaging winds at all. Nothing to get excited about, but the rain is needed, and it's coming down heavy, probably for 20 minutes now. It has cooled the temperatures down rapidly, but I'm sure it'll be very humid tonight.